What's up, I'm Joe, you're watching Ink&Iron. Here's a quick tip for organizing ink samples. Cut up some labels, stick them on your sample tops. Take a toothpick, get a little bit of that ink, swab the top so that without opening it, you can tell what it looks like. Kind of a blue-black there on this one. And then, if you're like me, you have way too many samples to choose from, you can very quickly eliminate the ones you don't want. Like, I'm not using a yellow today, now a brown. Let's go with the blue. Swap them in and out and organize them at your leisure. You can also use it for bottles. Alright, it's been a quick tip. I've been Joe, you've been watching Ink&Iron. If you like fountain pen content, please follow my channel. And thank you for joining me today. This is part of the quarantine series, so if you got suggestions, drop them in the comments. Alright, catch you on my next one. Bye.